Something very important you can do with appearances in Illustrator is that you can apply them to groups or to layers. Let's check this out here. So I've got some elements, and the circles and the text have different appearances. When I now take that and group that, then you see the group itself doesn't have any appearances, but we can change that, we can apply that. So now we've got a stroke that is running around all of these elements. And if you want the stroke to run around everything, you can drag it below the contents so that those elements are hidden. You can also have that stroke run around all of this with a distance. And that's what the offset path effect is for. So this doesn't look very nice. We are going to change that. So if you want to unite all of them, then you can add a pathfinder effect just to that stroke. And then you have this offset. And the nice thing is that this adapts. If you take the direct selection tool and change something, then you see that this offset path adapts to that. And it will also adapt if I change that text. And this is a pretty efficient way of handling appearances and of working with them in your workflow. So let's go to Affinity and let's do the same. Here I've got the artwork, a text and two circles, and let's just select them and group them. So now you can also see the group doesn't have any appearances, or at least they are not active. But you see you cannot add any. So these two buttons are not active. Let's just take this existing stroke and let's just add something to it. So I'm going to make it black, and then I'm going to increase the weight. And you see what's happening here is not quite what we want. So I can try and drag that below the fill, but it's not working here. Now what you can try now is use the contour tool to just offset that. But you see, again, this is not possible. So what's not working here is that workflow where you can already apply all the appearances you want, even on groups, and then work on the arrangement, because the look of everything you have will always influence how you need this arranged. And of course, you want the ability to change a font or what you have inside of a text, but this is not possible in Affinity.